Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's tap on About Phone. Now let's enter Backup and Restore option and scroll down until you will find the Google Backups. Of course, the Backup My Data option should be turned on because otherwise you will not be able to tap on the backup account. So let's make sure that you've got this option on, and then let's tap on the second position. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. And just a quick disclaimer, you don't have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. And what is more, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this whole operation, so you will not be able to do that without the internet. Alright, so after entering the password, just tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it and here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And here we've got the section in which we can more clearly see what actually the backup means. And as you can see, your device will use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. It will be backed up to the Google one. What's more, your device will back up the data automatically, and you will be, of course, you will be able to manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see, our account has been added to this device, which simply means that your device will start to back up the data, because as you can see, after tapping you can simply pick the account and you will be in the same place. So just tap on turn on, and basically that's all. So actually this is it. As I said, this is how to enable the Google backup in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.